This is V from a Canadian RVer. Where we are today is on the Tampa Super Show for 2025, and we're looking at Forest River products for the year of 25. So this model is a 36 F5, and it's done on the Ford chassis. It's got the Ford, I believe it's the V8 now that they're using. They're no longer using the 12-cylinder Tritons. So let's look down the side. Nice entertainment system right in there. And of course you have your awning that comes right out. This is one slide that you have back here, and we'll see what it is from the inside. And of course it's riding on the Michelin 22.5 tires. A lot of nice bays at the back here. So this is the Georgetown GT5. Let's go back and we'll take a walk inside. Looking at the driver's side, all the controls. This is the typical Ford layout with the leveling system right there. And nicely appointed. A big Sony screen right there. A complete work desk area for your passenger. Or your navigator. This model, they've opted in for the bunk, which is right there. Going down the driver's side, we have our Thomas Paine theater furniture. And we'll spin around, because right up there is a big 40-inch TV. We'll come back to that. The dinette, easily handled 4 people. And as we said, this is the GT5. This would probably be bunks. Yes, it is. So this is the bunk version, or what you can do is you fold these bunks up. Now you can hang clothes or anything you want to put on this rail. Again, you have plugs and things for entertainment that you can plug into there. And this, of course, is a 2-bunk system. So this is right here, this is all one slide that comes all the way to this corner. So let's keep walking back. More storage space. Another 32-inch TV there. More drawers, and right in here we probably have a washer dryer. We have a 2-piece. The bathroom, of course, is right at the back. Single lever faucet. Our toilet. and our shower. Next we have our reclining bed, and that looks like the king size. And right here what we have is a pocket door that closes right in here to give you some privacy in the bathroom. This is the slide that we saw from outside. So I believe this is a 2-slide unit. Again, another pocket door right there. And because this is a bunk, this is probably the other bathroom. Sure is. Oh, there you go. We also even have a shower in this one. A nice sink. Toilet. Still coming down, a nice big residential fridge. It's always nice to have a big fridge when you're traveling, especially with a big freezer compartment at the bottom. Still moving down, we have a 4-burner propane stove with a full oven on the bottom. We have our microwave on top. And for the TV that's right there, we have a sound bar that they put in right there. And of course, this would be the sink. 2 stainless steel sinks. Single lever faucet. Oh, also right there we can have a small table.
Georgetown. 36F, this. F5.
All right, let's spin around one more time and we'll look at the whole coach. All done in dark brown wood. This is V from a Canadian RVer. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, please give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video.